everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add Pepe Coin to Cwallet. So, to add Pepe Coin or Pepe to Cwallet, you typically need to follow a standard procedure used for adding custom tokens to crypto wallets. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So step number 1 is to obtain the contract address. So visit a trusted source like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. This is how the logo looks like. And then search for Pepe Coin or Pepe. Copy its contract address from the token details section. And then ensure the contract address matches the network you are using, such as Ethereum or ERC. Step number 2 is open Cwallet. Log into your Cwallet account using the mobile app or web platform. So this one and this one. And step number 3 is to add a custom token. Navigate to the wallet section. Here, this is the wallet section. You just have to tap on this one. Look for an option like add token or import custom token. So you can tap on this one. And then just paste the contract address of Pepe Coin. The wallet should automatically fill in the other details such as the token name, symbol, and decimals. And lastly is to verify and save. Confirm the token details are correct and save the token to your wallet. It should now appear in your Cwallet. And that's basically it. That's how you add Pepe Coin to Cwallet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!